October was a busy month for Team INEOS UK, with the launch of the first race boat for the challenge of the 36th America's Cup. In keeping with naval tradition, the naming of the boat was left to its godmother, Julia Ratcliffe.
I named this boat Britannia.
Britannia resonates massively with the history of marine industry, marine sport in the UK, going back to the Royal Yachts and then coming through now to the boat that we hope can win the America's Cup and bring it back for the first time in its history. Obi-Wan's a really special boat. It's obviously our first boat of this cycle, 75-footer, completely new concept of foiling monohull. So a huge amount of work and effort has gone into that design.
With just over 18 months to create it, the time frame has been a challenge in itself. It's taken 90,000 hours to design and 50,000 more to build. While the construction has used cutting-edge technologies to ensure she is ready to race, all efforts have been made to make sure that this iteration of the America's Cup is as sustainable as possible.
With INEOS Team UK, we looked at the possibility of reusing recycled carbon fibre for this campaign, treated their waste for their mould and also for a cradle that they are making to transport the hull.
To date, over 1,000 kilograms of carbon waste has been recycled and gone back into parts of the boat.
To reuse carbon fibre projects is potentially a massive game changer. To avoid putting it in landfill and actually close the loop and then reuse it is a massive bonus for us. The future, I think it's shaping up to be a really interesting time. That's why I've been delighted with the partnership, and it's going to continue. It proves that you can actually use this in a more commercial market than perhaps originally intended.
And I'm very proud to be part of this partnership with INEOS Team UK. They are using this great event of the America's Cup to actually show a lot of people how you can use those new type of material, composites, especially carbon, in a more economical and environmental friendly way.
No sooner had Britannia been named and launched, the 75-foot race boat was packed up alongside its full support fleet, ready to be shipped to its winter training camp in the south of Italy.
We're really excited about the winter training camp coming up in Cagliari. It's where we're going to race our first World Series event in the end of April, so it's a real natural fit for us in terms of the logistics, and obviously quite a lot warmer than the Solent